Welcome. Here is how to export your PiggyVest transaction data straight to your personal finance spreadsheet. So you open your PiggyVest, log in, and on your home screen, tap the Accounts tab in the bottom right corner. So on this screen, then you will see several options. So click on Generate Account Statement. So after that, you choose your date range, whatever time you want to get the statement of account. So then you select the file as PDF CSV, then you tap Send Statement or Generate Statement. So then you open your email app, open the message from PiggyVest and download the statement. After that, you open Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel, click File, then select Import or Open. That will be on your laptop. Then upload your downloaded file, pick Insert New Sheet and load the data. Format your dates, amount and description into your personal budget columns. That's all for this guide. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.